Now we are going to discuss about square numbers and cube numbers. Which numbers are square numbers? When we multiply a number by itself, we can call that product is a square number. For example, 4 equal to 2 by 2 is a square number. 1 equal to 1 by 1 is a square number. 9 equal to 3 by 3 is a square number. 16 equal to 4 by 4 is a square number. 25 equal to 5 by 5 is another square number. 36 equal to 6 by 6 another square number. So if we write the square numbers up to 100, what are they? So we can see that 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100 are square numbers, and we can say that 100 equal to 10 square, because when a 10 is multiplied by itself, the product is 100. We say 81 as 9 square because when 9 is multiplied by itself, then we get the product 81. In the same way, 8 square equal to 64, 7 square equal to 49, 6 square equal to 36, 5 square equal to 25, 4 square equal to 16, 3 square equal to 9, 2 square equal to 4 and 1 square equal to 1. These are the square numbers. In the same pattern, cube numbers are those numbers when a number is multiplied by itself and multiplied by itself again. Then we call it a cube number. X cube equal to x into x into x. So if we write 1 cube, that means 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1. 2 cube equal to 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. In the same pattern, so we can see that 1 cube equals to 1, 2 cube equal to 8, 3 cube equal to 27, 4 cube equal to 64, 5 cube equal to 125, 6 cube equal to 216, 7 cube equal to 343, 8 cube equal to 512, 9 cube equal to 729 and 10 cube equal to 1000. If you are my students, I will encourage you to memorize these, the square of 1 to 10 and cubes of 1 to 10. If you memorize this, you can use them in many mathematics. Now, what type of questions come in your Cambridge O-level exam? Here is a question: is 360 a square number? So let's see whether 360 is a square number or not. At first, we will factorize this. If we divide it by 2, 180. Then we can find that 360 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So we can see here that these two are paired, this 2 is unpaired, only 1, 2. These 3's are paired, this 5 is unpaired. So we can see that 2 2's paired, 2 3's paired, these 2 and these 5 are unpaired. So we can say that this is not a square number. So answer is no. 360 is not a square number. What should be divided from 360 to make it a square number? Here 2 into 2 multiplied by 3 into 3. We can write this if we divide 360 by 2 and 5. We bring these 2 here. We bring this 5 here. So if we write 360 divided by 2 divided by 5, we can write this as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Hence, we can say that if we divide 360 by 2 into 5 or 10, then we find a square number. The next question is, what should be multiplied with 360 to make it an square number? Look here, we will multiply it by something. Let's say we multiply it by n. Now we consider that 360 multiplied by n or 360n is a square number. 2 by 2 is paired. To make this paired, we need to multiply it by 2. To make this 5 paired, we need to multiply it by a 5. Then we can say that when these black digits are multiplied, we get 360. So what is the value of n? 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 10. So if we multiply this 360 by 2 into 5 or 10, then we will get a square number. The same questions are asked for cube number. Is 360 a cube number? What should be divided from 360 to make it a cube number? What should be multiplied with 360 to make it a cube number? So let's answer them. The first question is 360 a cube number? We see here that 360 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. To be a cube number, each prime product must be multiplied in a group of 3. 2 into 2 into 2. This is a cube product. These 3, they don't make a cube. This 5, this does not make a cube. So we can say that only this portion is a cube, neither this nor this. So we must say 360 is not a cube number. No. What should be divided from 360 to make it a cube number? If we bring these 3 here and if we bring this 5 here, we get 2 into 2 into 2, which is a cube number. So we can say that if we divide 360 by 3 into 3 into 5, which is 45. If we divide 360 by 45, we will get a cube number. And the final question is, what should be multiplied with 360 to make it a cube number? Now this time we will multiply it by something, let's say m. M is multiplied with 360. So we have 3 2's here, but here only 2 3's. So we need another 3. Here we need another 2 5. So we can say that m equal to those factors which we wrote later. 3 into 5 into 5. That means m equal to 75. That means we must multiply 3 into 5 into 5 equal to 75 to make this a cube number.